Here's the replacement for the famed Model T, 1928 Model A Ford. Brave new world for Ford. Edsel kept on bugging his dad to let him bring out something that was more advanced than the Model T, and this one is it. Beautiful red paint with black fenders, black trim. There's the drum speedometer, gauges there, and of course the 3-speed manual is there on the floor. Notice the shade in the back. Running board. Of course, a brand new engine. Wire wheels, very, very sporty. And here's an advertisement from 1928 showing you the new lineup for 1928. Imagine the big splash that made after all those years of the Model T. This is decorated for the 4th of July, very appropriate. As you see, they made a convertible version of it too, plus regular sedans. Then we have white walls here, white wall tires. There's the under hood area, very simple. See, an alternator has been installed, replacing the generator. Side view mirror, how about that? And of course we have a windshield that adjusts out so that we get some ventilation. Nice steering wheel. Very serviceable. Of course in the back we have the rumble seat. Notice the bars there that help you hang on to your seat in the back. And there's the spare, together with the 1928 Florida license plate. Very colorful back in those days. And those are the colors of Florida State too, by the way. And there's the trunk. Necessary if you're hauling anything of any size. Notice the steps going up to the rumble seat so you don't scratch the paint. Very nicely done, and that roof is very well upholstered. Very nice car.